Welcome back to C News. Today, I want to talk about a big update in the Thabo Bester case that a lot of people have been following. Convicted rapist and murderer Thabo Bester has been moved into a new prison in KwaZulu-Natal. The Department of Correctional Services confirmed this transfer on Friday. He is now at the eBhongweni Super Maximum Correctional Center in Kokstad. This is one of the highest security prisons in the country for dangerous offenders. Baxter was previously held at the Jose Mampuru 2 Correctional Center in Pretoria before this move. The department described the transfer as part of standard security procedures. They say it is meant to keep the prison system safe and stable. Right now, his court cases and legal process are still ongoing. People are watching this case closely because of how dramatic his story has been. Authorities say that transferring offenders like Bester is not unusual and happens based on risk assessments. They say these decisions are routine and guided by established security procedures. The idea is to make sure that prisons remain secure and that inmates and staff are kept safe. Correctional Services also said that all necessary arrangements were made so that his legal cases and court appearances can continue without interruption. This means he'll be able to see his lawyers and communicate with his family. The department has made these points in an official statement that after transfer was confirmed. Officials have been careful to stress that his legal rights remain intact under the law. People who follow the case closely have been paying a lot of attention to these details. Before being moved to eBhongweni, Baxter was serving time at Jose Mampuru 2 Correctional Center in Tshwane. That prison is also known as CMAX, a high security facility where dangerous offenders are held. Bester ended up there after he was recaptured following his escape in 2022. His escape made headlines because it was dramatic and unusual. Correctional Services say the move to eBhongweni does not change the fact that he still has to face his legal proceedings in court. They also said that he will continue to get care that the law and policies say he should have. The department has been speaking publicly to reassure people that security and legal processes are being respected. A lot of people remember how Baxter escaped from prison in 2022 and stayed on the run for months. He managed to get out of the Mangaung Correctional Center after faking his own death. Imagine, at the time, officials and the public were shocked by how it happened. He was eventually found in Tanzania and brought back to South Africa to face charges again. Since then, his case has stayed in the news because it raised big questions about prison security and how dangerous offenders are managed. Even now, many South Africans are still talking about how he escaped and was recaptured. The transfer to eBhongweni is just the latest chapter in a story that has just kept people glued to updates. The Department of Correctional Services said that moving offenders between facilities is part of how they manage the system. They point out that prisons have different security levels and that inmates are moved when assessments show it is needed. This is meant to protect not only the public but also the other inmates and correction staff. The decision to move someone to a super maximum facility usually follows careful evaluation. In Bester's case, Correctional Services say this was done with safety in mind. They also said that nothing about his sentence or pending court cases changes because of this move. Family, victims, and members of the public were watching very closely to see how things unfold. So yeah, guys, let's just wait. Yeah, man, let's just wait. Or let me just say, these are the latest on the Thabo Baxter transfer to eBhongweni Super Maximum Correctional Center. This move is a part of how officials manage risk offenders and aims to maintain safety and in order to prison and order in our prison system. We'll watch closely and share updates as the situation develops. If there are any changes in his trial date or legal challenges about the transfer, we'll bring those details as soon as they're confirmed. Let me know if you want more updates or background on the story and similar issues in South Africa.